Hey guys, Time for Tech here. Today I'm here with a video on slicing strings. So yesterday at the end of the variables video, well last video anyway, at the end of the variables video, I went into a little bit of how you can choose specific words from an array, or a list as they're known in Python. Now I'm going to show you how to choose specific letters from one word from a list. So this time it's not a list, it's just one word. So here you have a variable, which by now you should know. If you haven't, go back and check previous videos. A variable named car Lamborghini. So chose a decent length word. Here on the third line, we've got print car square brackets 0. Now, if you followed the video last time, you would realize that 0 is actually the first letter in the index, which is what they start. So L is 0, A is 1, M is 2, and so on. So 0 would obviously print L. Now here on the fifth line, print car :5. Again, I went into this in the last video, and it prints the letters from the fourth letter, because obviously 5 means the fourth letter if you're starting from 0. Here again, it prints from 0 to 2. So again, it doesn't include the third one in this case because it's the second. It only goes up to it. Now here is something I didn't cover. Usually in print, if you've got speech marks, that's what you're used to. You usually print with speech marks, or at least I have anyway. So just be careful when you're trying to print something like that. Don't use speech marks, because it'll actually just print out car square bracket :3 square bracket. That's actually what will print, not the actual information that you want. Here, on line 11 where you print car, it actually prints out the variable. So it doesn't print the word car. It would print the word car if you done this. So let me go to the front. They're crazy about that kind of thing. It would print the word car if you done that, but if you've got a variable named car, then it would print that. As you can see, there's no errors there, but if let's say I name this cars, errors would show up everywhere because there's no variable called cars, so you wouldn't be able to print it. Here in line 13, print car 6. So this prints the fifth letter. So it's not L-A-M-B-O, it is not R either, it's G. Here in line 15, we've got print car 2:4. It's similar to line 7's where it says 0:2. It just prints from the third one to the fifth one. And finally, we've got print car 3:. Now, I'll leave that to you to guess what it is, since you've seen the other ones. So I'm gonna run the program. By the way, in case you're seeing this is a multi-line comment. I said that in my first video. A single line comment uses a hashtag, which on Mac is Shift3. Yes, you just have 3 speech marks opening it, and then you can click enter and do it on a multi-line comment. If you use a hashtag, it'll throw up an error. You can have 2 hashtags, but it's just inefficient. So you've seen the simple way of slicing strings. Ask a user for input, which I'm going to show you soon. Click, let's go up and run the program. Run. And the name of this is slicing strings. So down here, you can see the first one, line 3, 0 is supposed to be 1, which is the L, prints L. The 5 prints Lambo, because it's printing up to the 5th. So you've got L, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it prints up to the 5th, doesn't include the 5th. I'm just stressing that because it's quite an easy mistake to make. So it prints Lambo. This one prints L-A. 0 to 2, which would be the third one, just L-A. And as I said here, be careful not to use speech marks because it actually prints out the text. Here, it print car, it prints out the actual name, Lamborghini, because that's the text in the string. Print car 6, the 7th letter, which is G. Line 15, you've got 2:4, prints MB. These you can all check for yourself. Obviously, it's just printing out what I've said it will do. And in the final one, if you guessed it right, it prints the ones after the first 3 letters. So that's the end of the video. I'll be making some more videos on how to use input. If you want, you can go and research this for yourself. Next video, I'll probably be making an input-output one, or maybe after a few more videos. But until then, you can go and find out if you want. So it's the end.